Hello and welcome to Thrive in the Kitchen. I'm Kelly Batista, Director of the Brian D. Jellison Cancer Institute at Sarasota Memorial. For this video series, our team develops specialized recipes that focus on overall health and wellness for cancer patients undergoing treatment or in recovery. Soon we will hear from one of our expert registered dietitians and our executive chef, who will be introducing a new recipe in each video, providing nutritional information, ingredients, and step-by-step instructions. Now let's get cooking with Thrive in the Kitchen.
Smoothies can be an easy and quick meal or snack. They are a great way to increase your daily serving of fruits and vegetables. According to the American Institute of Cancer Research, the goal is to have 5 servings of fruits or vegetables a day. If you're a cancer survivor, the goal is 8+ to decrease your reoccurrence of cancer. Bananas are high in potassium, which can help you control your blood pressure. Strawberries are high in vitamin C and antioxidants and can add fiber to a smoothie. Almond milk is dairy and fat-free. It's high in vitamin D and calcium, which can promote bone health, and it's shelf-stable, which means you can always have it available for a smoothie whenever you'd like. Some tips for making smoothies would be to add frozen fruits or vegetables. These can decrease the amount of juice and water required to make the smoothie. Another tip for smoothies would be to add protein. You can add your favorite protein powder or nut butter.